Guys, these aren't pops anymore. This is entering the realm of bang. Alright, so I know you guys got a short attention span, so listen carefully. I got the answer for you. You want to make your car pop, but guess what? I've been destroying my clutch trying to figure out how to do it. I figured it out though. So I'll tell you now, and then I'll show you later. So basically what it is, guys, hear me out. You basically have to lightly to moderately accelerate up to 2.5K, let your revs come down to 2, clutch in, blimp the throttle. I'm telling you, it's gonna work. That's one. This bus is going really slow, guys, I'm sorry. It's a big one. That's a big one. It's usually pretty reliable. All right, that was a bit of a hill, but looking there, I can't. Oh! Don't get coilovers, guys. That was a loud one. Guys, these aren't pops anymore. This is entering the realm of bang. It's a different category. That one was a bit quiet. These bumps are crazy. That's what we're talking about. That's why we do it. That's a cop. That's not a cop, never mind. That's a really nice Ford Explorer.